Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 21st February 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today, and I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully, and it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, when is the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj celebrated? So correct answer is C, 19th February. The great Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji was born on 19th February 1630 at Shivaneri Fort in Pune, Maharashtra, India. Second question is, which AI chatbot has been launched by UIDAI to solve Aadhaar related queries? So correct answer is B, Aadhaar Mitra. UIDAI is Unique Identification Authority of India. Third question is, who has hosted the G20 Dialogue Forum for the Global Business Community? So correct answer is A, Manipur. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated a 120 feet tall polo statue in Manipur. Gan Nagai festival has been celebrated in Manipur. Manipur has topped the Northeast Olympic Games for the second time in a row. The 7th edition of Amur Falcon Festival was celebrated in Manipur. In Imphal, CM the HESI portal has been launched for the grievances of the common people. Khongzom Day was celebrated in Manipur on 23rd April. Fourth question is, Shahabuddin Chuppu has become the new president of which country? So correct answer is D, Bangladesh. Nikos Christodoulides has become the new president of Cyprus. Manuela Roca-Bote has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of Equatorial Guinea. Petr Pavel is the new President of Czech Republic. Leo Varadkar has been elected Prime Minister of Ireland for the second time. Dorin Rishian has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Moldova. Dina Boluarte has become the first female President of Peru. Fifth question is, from where has the railway started the Bharat Gaurav Deluxe AC tourist train? So correct answer is B, Delhi. Railway started Bharat Gaurav Deluxe AC tourist train Shri Ram Janki Yatra from Safdarjung railway station, Delhi. This train will run via Ayodhya and Janakpur in Nepal to important pilgrimage sites in Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. The train will pass through Ayodhya, Nandigram, Sitamarhi, Janakpur, Varanasi, and Prayagraj during its 7 days journey. Sixth question is, Tata Steel has completed the first multimodal shipment of TMT bars from West Bengal to which state? So correct answer is C, Tripura. Election Commission has launched Mission 929 in Tripura. Tripura CM has launched Amar Sarkar portal. Tripura government has launched An with Lunch scheme. The Tripura government has announced the launch of mobile veterinary health services. Seventh question is, which country's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon has resigned? So correct answer is A, Scotland. Eighth question is, the cabinet has approved an MOU between India and which country for cooperation in the field of disability? So correct answer is B, South Africa. Ninth question is, which has become the first private sector bank to integrate RuPay credit card on UPI? So correct answer is C, HDFC Bank. It was established in 1994 and is headquartered in Mumbai. And the present CEO is Shashidhar Jagdishan. 10th question is, Central Water Commission and who will set up International Center of Excellence for Dams? So correct answer is A, IIT Roorkee. IIT Madras will develop space flight training module for ISRO. IIT Madras has won the National Intellectual Property Award. Researchers from NASA and IIT Madras studied microbes in the space station. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has inaugurated iInventive at IIT Delhi. 11th question is, which district has won the Swaraj Trophy 2021-22 for the best district panchayat? So correct answer is B, Kollam. 12th question is, whereas Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated the nano urea plant of IFCO. So correct answer is A, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has launched Family ID portal. The foundation day of Uttar Pradesh was celebrated on 24 January. The Uttar Pradesh government will host the 7th edition of the Nature and Bird Festival. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has launched Arohini Pehal training program for girls. 13th question is, which life insurance has launched Anmol Suraksha Kavach? So correct answer is C, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance. 14th question is, where will the Ministry of Textiles organize Technotex 2023? So correct answer is A, Mumbai. 15th question is, with whom has India adopted the Digital Work Plan 2023? So correct answer is A, ASEAN. 16th question is, how many cheetahs were brought from South Africa to Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh? So correct answer is B, 12. 17th question is, who has topped the Global Labour Resilience Index 2023? So correct answer is C, Denmark. 18th question is, where was the 49th meeting of the GST Council held? So correct answer is D, New Delhi. 19th question is, with whom has AICTE launched the national level hackathon Kavach 2023? So correct answer is B, BPRD. 20th question is, what is the rank of India in OECD's Service Trade Restrictions Index? So correct answer is D, 47th. OECD's Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें। थैंक यू।